Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous some videos I will show you how to connect the Modbus TCP client application with the Modbus server or Modbus device, and I will show you how to read and write holding register and how to read the input register and discrete input. So today in this video I will show you how to read and write coils in Modbus server or Modbus device from the Modbus TCP client application, or how to change the coil status in Modbus device. So let's start. Let's include the button controls to read and write. So add the two button for read and write. Change here write coils and change here to read coils. Also change the object name write coils and read coils. Now create the click event of both button. So now here we have to prepare the data to write the coil. So let's take a bit array. Now let's assign the memory of 5. So now let's change the 5 coils, set the bit, change the index number, and here we have to prepare the Modbus data unit to write the data. So here write the write units. Here we have to provide the type. So let's type is coil and start address is 0 and total quantity of coils we have to write. So here bit array dot size. Now prepare the data, write the data in write units. Write the data in write unit, index and coil bit at of I. Now let's write the send the write request. So now take a one reply from write request. Send write request. So here we have to provide the write unit and our server address is 1. Now check reply is finished or not. If reply is not finished, now connect the reply with the queue Modbus reply unit reply finish signal. Now check if reply has any error. If reply doesn't have any error, then print the message, and then reply has any error, then print the. If reply has any error, then print the message coil write failed, and also print the error string. Also this message is shown in status bar, show message. Now print the same message in when data is successfully read, then print change the error message. Also display this message in status bar. Now let's run the application and check it. So let's start the Modbus server code. connect the application and write the file. So you can see the status are changed in our Modbus server. Now let's uncheck again and write the data again. So you can see the status is set. Now also you can set the reset bit. Clear bit and reset it. So connect the application and write the data. So you can see the data is not status was not change of index 1 and index 3. Now you can see this, you can see the status was changed. So by this way you can easily write the coil data or coil status in Modbus TCP server application or Modbus TCP server device. So now let's read the coil data. So here we have to prepare the Q Modbus data unit. First of all, read unit, and also provide the same thing here. So here let's read the 5 coil. Now let's get the reply. Send read request. Okay. Now provide your server address here, same as it is, and check it if reply has any error or not. If reply is finished, not finished, then connect your reply with the Q Modbus reply finish signal and get the reply when the reply is finished. Now here we have to change the convert the sender object to Q Modbus device Modbus reply object. So use Q object asked for conversion. Now check if reply has any error or if reply is valid or not. If reply doesn't valid, so return from the function, and reply has any error, check the reply has any no error. If reply has any error, then print the message coil read fail. Or reply has successfully read and print the message. Now print let's read the data of coil. So here we have to get the prepare the Q Modbus data unit to store the data. Result. Okay, now print the all message, all the coil status one by one in our list widget control. So before add the data, let's clear the list widget control, and now read the data one by one. Now create the string to add the data. Also print the address. Start address, and also print the value. So simply just copy this line. Value of I, and provide your base as a 10, and now add this entry in our list widget control. Add item. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. basic syntax error. Now let's check it. So you can see the current all status are unchecked, connect and read the coil. So you can see the 5 coils value is unchecked. Now here we change the test status and read the value. You can see the status also updated in our list widget control when we read the coil data. Now let's read the 10 coils, or also you can write the 10 coils. Now let's run the application and check it. So connect and let's reset the status and write the coil. So you can see the all status checked instead of 1 and 3. Now let's read this all status. You can see let's change the status. So you can see the value is also displayed in our list widget control of coil status. So by this way you can easily read and write the coil and display in your list widget control, or operate the coil in your Modbus device TCP client application into Modbus device or Modbus server application. So please drop your comment if you have any question, and please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video, and thank you.